Hi and welcome. In this video I would like to share a software tip with you. It's if you're like me and you don't want to pay a recurring fee to have access to the basic Office programs to write and do calculations and presentations and so on, I highly recommend you to check out LibreOffice. It's available at LibreOffice.org, and it's a free and open source software and gives you the basic functionalities. It's basically like the Microsoft Office programs, Word, Excel and PowerPoint, except that they call it Calc, Writer and Impress. And you also have programs to do some drawings and to work with mathematic formulas. It's a free and open source software, so if you haven't tried it out yet, I recommend you to go to LibreOffice.org and download it and see for yourself what it's all about. And it's available in many different languages. So I hope you find this helpful, and if you like it, please subscribe, leave me a comment and hit the like button. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.